Alright guys, welcome back to the channel today, and today we're going to be working on rebuilding the front end of the Miata again, because in the last video it did get hit by a lifted truck. RIP. But anyway, we're going to be working on that. We're going to be pulling the frame a little bit more. Off camera, I started working on a new fender that we got for free. It had one small dent and I just got ahead of myself, didn't record any of it, and it's done now. We could bolt it on, but we have some things I want to do to the front end still. Get that all buttoned up. Work on the front bumper still. That'll be later in today's video, so let's get right out there, get most of these things mocked up, and making it even better than before. So anyway, let's get right out there, and I'll see you guys when we're working on the front end of the Miata. Guys, to step aside from rebuilding the Miata, we do have some new wheels for it, and as you can see, the dimensions 16x8. I just opened the top of the box to see if all four were here, but anyway, let's crack it open and see how these wheels look. Ooh, the bottom side. Okay, that kind of spoils it, but anyway. And the protector, ooh, you can see it to that. And those are the wheels that are going to be mounting on the Miata. They're going to be really sick. So these are Avid AV119s and in 16x8 and a 4x100 pattern. And they're going to look so sick on the Miata with the new color that is coming. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys this. I'm not going to be mounting them. I have to get tires still. But anyway, I hope you guys like them as much as I do. Let's continue fixing the front end on the Miata. Alright guys, so just test fitting the fender with just the top bolts on. The gap is consistent and it's good. It just needs to go up a little more. And this gap is a little tight compared to the top. But, I mean, it all fits in. The only problem is this headlight gap right here. So this bracket down here has to get pulled out a little bit, right? So that this fender piece will connect to it properly and gap the headlight right, because like that doesn't look too good. So yeah, this has to come out, and I think the headlight might have to go up or out a tad like this. But other than that, everything's coming together pretty good. Waiting for the fiberglass on the bumper to dry, and then we'll mock all this up, sand this down a bit more, just get all the pitting out of it.
You got oh no no.
car looks pretty good the way it is. I mean, all the body panels are on and it looks pretty good from a week and a half ago. The only thing that's wrong with it now is just the color is like 4 right here. But yeah, that will change this coming weekend. So this Friday this will get changed. Whole new color for the entire car. But other than that, I mean, it looks absolutely amazing. It looks so good from what it did before. This fitment here is pretty dang solid. The only bad fitment with the hood is when it got lifted up from when it got hit. And this fitment is a little bit bigger than the rest, but I mean, you can't really tell compared to everything else. I mean, you can, but yeah, I'm just really happy with the way it came out. No side markers still. I mean, it's still pretty bare. Got to get a new lip down below. Yeah, I mean, I'm really happy with how the car came out. And this is just a week and a half of fixing and body work and all that stuff. Now there's only one more thing that I gotta do, or 2 more things I have to do for body work. Is this dent here, and then I gotta block out this side, because as you see, it's just absolutely terrible. But anyway, let's hop in the car and end it for you guys, because I'm just super happy with how this came out a week and a half after an accident. So, I mean, it's not too bad. I think that's pretty good. But enough of me ranting. Let's go home. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We got a lot done today. I don't know how long it is, but it is a bit shorter. Would you guys want longer videos in the future? Because we have a lot more things to do to the car. If you want longer videos, go vote up here. If you want to say them, keep them shorter. I don't remember what side to vote on, but go vote up wherever the card's at. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video, probably with something a bit more fun, just to take a break from everything for now. The grind will still continue, but we're just gonna step aside to an older video that I never put out for you guys, but it is kind of funny in my opinion. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in that video. It's a lot of hooning around, but anyway, until then, goodbye.